Hi, good afternoon. My name is Dave. I'm a Diamond member at MOB, and I'm sitting here with my friend John Chow. And John, my question to you is, do you get an actual thrill in helping people with their online business over and above the fact that it does generate very good revenue for you? Does it excite you to see how people work with your information?
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. You see, I actually don't get paid to come to a titanium mastermind. Like I pay my own way to get here, but the main reason I come here is to meet new affiliates. Now, I'm a big believer in networking and meeting face to face with other people, to expand the business, and so I attend a lot of masterminds, not just MOB, but other masterminds as well. And in fact, it was at a mastermind that I met Matt Loy.
Right.
And so I'm a big believer in attending mastermind, and I say even though I pay my own way to get there, I actually never lost money at a mastermind, attending a mastermind. Because like I said, the mastermind where I met Matt Loy cost $4,000 to attend, but look what came out of it, basically $4.2 million of income to me because I met Matt Loy.
Absolutely.
Right? And so, and I do enjoy helping people. I mean, coming here, meeting people like you, seeing all the up and comers, and the fact that I always been just wired that way for part of my business. I knew that in business, business is a team effort.
Yes.
Success is a team effort. And anyone who, if you look at all the great success stories in the world, like the Bill Gates, the Warren Buffett, I mean, or the Steve Jobs, all you think is that single person. But if you actually analyze and look at the story behind it, you realize that they had a success team around them. And one of the reasons I go to the events like this is to help form my own success team as well.
Yes.
And as well as helping other people too. And I was also always taught that the best way to succeed is by helping other people succeed. Yes. So I live by that. When I started my blog, it was never to make money. It was just to help people start blogs. Yes. In fact, the first 8 months of my blog life, I made no money. But I was doing like 2 blog posts a day because I actually enjoy helping people. I enjoy answering the email that people get. And when I first started MOB, it was basically one of the things that attracted me to it was the fact that my success is dependent on the success of other people.
Yes.
Yeah, so people on my team, people that I refer to MOB, who's got a position in MOB, I get 5% of what they make.
Right.
So that's a financial incentive, yes. But it basically, if you look at the normal employer-employee relationship, like in my relationship with my team, I get 5% of what they make. They get 95%, I get 5, right? Yeah. But if you look at the average employer-employee relationship, it's almost flipped around. The employer makes most of the money and you get whatever the employer wants you to have, right?
That's right.
Yeah, I remember one time I was at Purdy's Chocolate. I took her to a Purdy's Chocolate, and I saw this old lady there. She's been working for the company for like 20 plus years. She had the little swirl onto the little chocolate thing. All she did is swirl. As you pitch her finger, and it makes a swirl. She's really good at it. And see, they told me that she can do 600 of these things an hour. Mm-hmm. 600 little, like, it's going for the life. She goes, like, it comes in as a dozen, she goes swirl, 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 swirl. And she does 600 of these in 1 hour. That's what they told me. And I go, and in the Purdy's, they had after the tour, they had the Purdy's chocolate shop. I found the chocolate where, hey, these are made by the girl making a swirl. And they were $1 each. Right, so I'm looking at, and then I remember that the tour guy saying she can make 600 in 1 hour. So she's making $600 an hour for Purdy's, and out of that, she was getting like $8.
That's incredible.
Yeah, right. So that kind of relationship, the employer-employee relationship, is not what we do here at MOB. We do an affiliate relationship where I help people, I get 5%. I don't get 95%, I get 5%. And so my success is greatly dependent. I have to make them succeed before I can get, because I'm only getting 5%.
Sure.
Right. But it works because that's the reason I come here. I come here to help my people. I come here to help other people, and it works out. It works out in the end. Like I said, my 5% right now is making me almost $38,000 a month.
Very good.
So
that's impressive.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that just encouraged me to help more people.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much,
All right,
John.
no problem.
If you want to do what we're doing, click on the button below, and you can be sitting on a beach just like us.
Exactly. And you know that we have your best interest. Like I get questions all the time. Are you going to screw me over? I go, no, I'm not going to screw you over because basically I'm financially invested in that. I can't. If I screw you over, basically I'm screwing myself.
Yes.
right? Because I'm losing the 5%. I'm losing the 5%. So if I screw you, you make nothing, I make nothing. Yeah? So if you decide to join, know that any advice we give you is to help you.
You heard it from the man himself.
All right.
Thank you, John.
All right, awesome.